Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our fifth video in a series of videos related to the art of division. And we're going to use my favorite method, known as counting by the denominator method, which is tailor-made for large division problems, especially if that division problem has a two-digit or more divisor, such as the one we see here, in which we have 752 divided by 16, which also can be read as 752 inside the division box, divided by 16. But before we perform this operation, let us count by the divisor, which is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 16 times 3 is 48. 16 times 4 is 64. 16 times 5 is 80. 16 times 6 is 96. 16 times 7 is 112. 16 times 8 is 128. 16 times 9 is 144. And we're going to put these answers right over here in our parking lot. And we're going to use these numbers to help us solve our problem, in which we have 752 divided by 16. And we know that 16 cannot go into 7, but it can go into 75. And let's see how many times by going to our parking lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 80 is a little too high. We have to fall back to 64. 64 just happens to be in the fourth position, which lets us know that 16 times 4 will give us 64. And that's what we have right here. 16 times 4 gives us 64, and 75 minus 64 gives us an 11. However, 16 cannot go into 11, so we have to bring down the 2 to make it a 112. And let's see how many times can 16 go into 112. And guess what? It's right here. We hit it on the head. And let's see what position is the 112 is in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's in the seventh position, which lets us know that 16 times 7 will give us 112, and 112 minus 112 will give us a 0 remainder. There's no remainder here. It is only the answer, 47. You have been given a lot of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video just to look things over, or if you like, replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of division with large numbers, especially when you're counting by the denominator. And with that in mind, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for a growing list of content. Thank you and goodbye.